Matrices part 6.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first problem. Show that determinant of this one is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So, here for that consider LHS. See here, first row and second row are the sum of the two terms. So, here we have to reduce the sum of two terms into single terms. So, how to reduce these two terms? See here, in second row, first element is A and B, C. So clearly, what are the third row elements? A, B, C. If you do R2 minus R3, then clearly the sum of two terms reduce into single terms. So that's why here R2 implies R2 minus R3. So what you get? B plus C, C plus A plus B. Next R2 minus R3, A plus B minus A. You will get B, here C, next E. So next A, B, C. So here again in first row sum of the two terms. So once you observe first row and second row, so here B, B and C, C, A. If you do R1 minus R2, then clearly first row is CAB. So therefore R1 implies R1 minus R2. So this is what? B plus C minus B, C, and this is A and B. So B, C, A, B, C. Now find the determinant of this. So what you get? C into C square minus AB. Next minus A into, delete the corresponding row, corresponding column. So we will get BC minus A square plus B into, again delete the corresponding row, corresponding column. So what you will get? B square minus AC. So B square minus AC. Now simplify this, what you get? This is C cube minus ABC plus A cube plus B cube minus ABC. Therefore, this is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3 RHS. So, therefore, both LHS and RHS are equal. So, see the next problem. Show that this determinant is 4xyz. So for that consider the LHS value. See here, first row first element is y plus z, and here second row first element y and third row first element z. So clearly if you do R1 minus R2 minus R3, then you will get here 0. So for that R1 implies R1 minus R2 minus R3. So what you will get? Y plus z minus y minus z, and here x minus z plus x minus z. Next here x minus y minus of x plus y. So here y z z plus x z y x plus y. So here both y and z are get cancelled. Next here x get cancelled, x get cancelled. So clearly this is 0 minus 2z minus 2y. Next here y z z plus x z. Okay. Next one y x plus y. Now find determinant of this. So what you get? 0 minus into minus plus 2z into, so delete the corresponding row and corresponding column. You get y into x plus y minus zy or yz. Next minus 2y into yz minus z into z plus x. So this is what 2z into xy plus y square minus yz. Next one minus 2y into yz minus z square minus zx. So simplify this, what you get? 2xyz, next 2zy square minus 2yz square. Next here minus 2y square z, next plus 2yz square plus 2xyz. So clearly this term should be get cancelled. So 2xyz plus 2xyz, that is 4xyz. So clearly this is the required answer. So see the next one. Show that this determinant value is a minus 1 whole to the power of 3. So here consider the LHS value. Okay. See here RHS is a minus 1 whole to the power of 3. So here you want a minus 1 terms. So here once you observe the first row and second row, so 2a minus a is a, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So clearly you will get a minus 1. So when will you get a minus 1? If you do r1 minus r2, then clearly you will get a minus 1. See here r1 implies r1 minus r2. And again a plus 2 here 3. So do r2 minus r3. So in that case also you will get a minus 1. Therefore for that r2 implies r2 minus r3. Now see here r1 minus r2, that is a square plus 2a minus 2a minus 1. Next 2a plus 1 minus a minus 2, 1 minus 1. Next one r2 minus r3. So what is that? 2a plus 1 minus 3. Here a plus 2 minus 3, 1 minus 1. So third row as is 3, 3, 1. Next here plus 2a minus 2a get cancelled. Now this is a square minus 1. Write as a plus 1 into a minus 1. Next here a minus 1, 0. Here 2a minus 2. So this can be written as 2 times of a minus 1. Next here a minus 1, 0, 3, 3, 1. So clearly from first row and second row a minus 1 is common. So what you get? A minus 1 whole square. See here what are the remaining terms? A plus 1, 1, 0. Next here 2, 1, 0. So last one 3, 3, 1. So now we are find the determinant. So here take the last column for finding the determinant. So here a minus 1 whole square into 0 minus 0 plus 1 into. So delete the corresponding row and corresponding column. Now find a plus 1 into 1. Now find determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. So what you get? A plus 1 minus 2. So clearly this is a minus 1 whole square into a minus 1. This is what? A minus whole to the power of 3. So clearly this is RHS. So see the next one. Find the values of a. So determinant of this value is 0. So consider this value. See here, you want to find your x value, but here all rows are difference of two terms. So here we can reduce into single terms. See here, for that R2 implies R2 minus R1. In that case, XX get cancelled, will get single term. Again, R3 implies R3 minus R1. So again you will get a single term in R3 row. So that is x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4. R2 minus R1. X minus x get cancelled. Minus 4 minus into minus 2. You will get minus 2. Here also 2x get cancelled. Minus 9 plus 3. You will get minus 6. Here minus 16 plus 4. You will get minus 12. Next here R3 minus R1. You will get minus 6, minus 24, minus 16 is equals to 0. So clearly from second row minus 2 is common, from third row minus 6 is common. So minus 2 into minus 6. This is x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4, 1, 3, 6, 1, 4, 10. Now send these values on RHS, then it becomes 0. Now find this determinant. So what you get, x minus 2 into, delete the corresponding row, corresponding column. So 30 minus 24, that is 6, minus 2x minus 3 into, again delete the corresponding column, corresponding row. So 10 minus 6 will get 4, plus 3x minus 4 into 4 minus 3, that is 1, is equals to 0. Now this is 6x minus 12 minus 8x plus 12 plus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. Minus 12 plus 12 get cancelled. You will get x minus 4 is 0. So therefore the value of x is what? 4. See our next one. Show that this determinant value is x plus 2a into x minus a whole square. So here you want x plus 2a and x minus a whole square. See here, if you do R1 minus R2, you will get x minus a. Here R1 implies R1 minus R2. If you do R2 minus R3, again you will get x minus a. So that's why here R2 changes R2 minus R3. Now this is x minus a minus x, a minus a 0. Next here a minus a 0, x minus a minus x. Next one a x. So this can be written as x minus a minus of x minus a 0. Here 0, x minus a minus of x minus a. So a x. So clearly from first and second row x minus a is common. So then we will get x minus a whole square, 1 minus 1 0. Next 0 1 minus 1 x. Now find the determinant of this. So that is x minus a whole square. So 1 into x into 1, x plus c. Next one minus, again minus, will get 1 into, delete the corresponding row, corresponding column. So 0 plus c. Next one 0. So clear, this is what? X minus a whole square into x plus 2a. So this is the required answer. So see the next one. Show that the determinant of skew symmetric matrix of order 3 is always 0. See here, skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix means if A is any square matrix, then A transpose is equals to minus A. So then that case A is said to be skew symmetric matrix. Now you want to prove the determinant of a skew symmetric matrix of order 3 is 0. So here given A is skew symmetric matrix of order 3. So by definition A transpose is equals to minus A. So here take determinant on both sides. So what you get? Determinant of A transpose is equals to determinant of minus A. See here one property is there. A is equals to Aij. This is any 3 by 3 order matrix. Then determinant of Ka is equals to K cube into determinant of A. Okay. Now clear here also. A is any matrix of order 3. So this can be written as determinant of A transpose is equals to, here K value is minus 1. So this can be written as minus 1 whole to the power of 3 into determinant of A. So this is determinant of A transpose. So this is also write as determinant of A. So again one property is there. Determinant of A transpose is equals to determinant of A. Now this is minus determinant of A. This is 2, determinant of A is 0. So determinant of A is equals to 0. So clearly from this we can say that the determinant of skew symmetric matrix of order 3 is always 0. So see the next one. If omega is complex cube roots of 1, then show that this determinant value is 0. So given omega is cube roots of infinity, then you know that 1 plus omega square is 0. So consider the LHS. So what is that? 1 omega square 1 omega square 1 omega. If you add columns or rows, anyone. Here R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. So what you get? 1 plus omega square omega square plus 1 omega square plus 1 plus omega. Now this is omega square 1 omega square 1 omega. So clearly what is 1 plus omega square value? That is 0. So 0, 0, 0. Next one, omega square 1 omega square 1 omega. So clearly you know that if any row or any column all are zeros, then the determinant value also 0. So this is RHS. So see the next one. A matrix is given and data is 45. Then you want to find X value. See here, this is the given. Determinant of A is 45. Now find this determinant. So 1 into 3x plus 24 minus 0 plus 0 is equals to 45. So this is 3x is equals to 21. X is equals to 7. So this is the value of X. For next session we will discuss more concept and problems.